Shout the name of Jesus. Today is your day. Today is your day. Begin to shout the name of Jesus. Oh, say it, God. Oh, but to my God. All your problems are going away. All your problems are going away. Is over. All your problem is over. Your joy shall be forever. Your freedom shall be forever. Shout Jesus 7 times. Only Jesus here. You shall overcome your battle. Today is the end of your problem. Today Jesus Alpha. Forget your problem. Your test is over. Oh, sooner. Jesus Alpha. As you are dancing, all your problem is over. Are you watching me in overseas? All your problem is over. Celebrate with us. Shout the name of Jesus, and your days will be over. Shake your problem out of you. Move away from your problem. Move away. for your problem. Shake out your problem.
Anybody who knows what I'm going to do, anybody who can come away with you, I am going to make you. All the people keep watching and I will go away with another man. Nobody can have a look at that. Look at that one and look at the oracle of God. How about you know that word? Anywhere you are you in overseas? Anywhere you are you in overseas? Walk out of your problem. Begin to move around. Shake your problem out of him. Jesus is at work. I'm going to go to the daily. Hey, we are radical for Jesus. We are radical for Jesus. If you don't like it,